ahari Mbarara High School erizoba omukoro gwatandika no kwiguraho bekare hamwe na canteen omukoro gwayebemberamo omurebezi wa Nkole Associate Professor Dr. Fred Shelon Mwesigwa yahwiroho abandi bebembezi.
Thanks to God also for this vision. When you read Proverbs 29 verse 18, it says, without a vision, a people perish.
In a year we save up to 165 million. So we have begun to improve even on financial management.
Omwezi wa speaker w'ishinjiri hanga Uganda Thomas Tayibwa yeko mwanyugu yajukira Janet Katamu 7 minister abikwatira eby'obwegyese. Omwanyugu yiguraho mutongore oburaro obuherizeho biriyooni emwe na miliyoni ezirengera omurwenda egidomba gyeta Addis Ababa kandi abeegi abashomireho nibo byombekirwe.
It serves as a lasting inspiration of our students to learn to be successful, to learn to be generous, and to learn to be patriotic citizens. May the Lord bless the old boys limitlessly.
Once again, I want to thank whoever came to the rescue of the students in donating items to our affected students, which they could use at that time.
To thank Bishop Sheldon very much. Bishop Sheldon and Bishop Agacencwire, I would say they are part of the Ministry of Education.
Nobe byona bikozwe hariho uburemezi obakine ko mu ishomero.
Buildings which are roofed with asbestos, I must say that they are in a serious state. They are very old. You know, asbestos was being used during that long time.
I am telling you on one request. Our hill here lacks tarmac. Almost all the hills in our college is a sub-region of historical significance have tarmac, apart from the Kano Hill.
Thomas Tayibwa bwanyuma yashoma ubutumwa wa Janet Katamu 7.
The Minister of Education and Sports would like to solve this problem and eliminate the health risks to the school community. There is also need to expand the facilities of this school, following and supplementing the excellent contribution of the old boys.
Wenkomuntu hari ubutumwa obuyahereza abeegi abakiri omwishomereri.
An atmosphere has been created that if you work hard, if you are faithful, if you're disciplined and focused, you can become anything. That's what I'm trying to emphasize to you. Coming from Mbarara High School is not a passport success. Utilizing Mbarara High School effectively and the connections and social networks. If I called mine,
Addis Ababa okujja abatebeekaniza niyo kuraza beegi bishatu. Omukoro gwahwa Janet Katamu 7 abakwatireho na miliyoni 20 cash za Uganda. Thomas Tayibwa yabakwatiraho na miliyoni 10. Omunyishenjero wa Mbarara City North Dr. Robert Rukari yabakwatiraho na miliyoni 2 cash. Ahabwa TV West ndi Senyomo Gideon Mbarara.